formation in the air you'll see now, unless Paul Bennett's got something on his sleeve for the finish.
I believe he does, because the Avenger and the Harvard and Wirraway are down the back end of the main runway getting ready to go. But yeah, we've got an apology from the Roolettes. Slightly to Tom Wade, who was up here before, getting ready to do his commentary, has to go back down. Because unfortunately the team sent their apologies. They really wish they could have made it to do the show, but it just wasn't meant to be.
I can understand why they had trouble getting here, Grant. These conditions have not been the best for anybody in the last hour. I think when the air boss really gets blown off the chair, off the stand, we've got a problem.
Yeah, it seems to go the wind's picking up just a little bit more than normal.
Now the fuel tank there, you'll see just displayed on the side of it. There they go into a classic bomb burst. And you can see how low that cloud's getting now. Yeah, it's certainly keeping them down low, and well done to the guys putting on a great display in such challenging conditions. I think they'll probably rate that the hardest conditions they've flown in, mate. Yeah. So now all that's left for the Russian Roolettes to do is recover onto the airstrip, and that may be the riskiest thing they've done all day. Well, thanks, Mark. That's been awesome to have you up here and give everyone a really great background on the Russian Roolettes and also on the Jacket and Raincoat, and talk us through what we've been seeing. Yeah, thanks, Grant. Thanks for having us again.
Down on the ground. As you can see from the south, where the rain is, the guys are coming back along the runway, just as the Wirraway and Harvard take first on the Wirraway. There's a Harvard. Spectacular photo opportunities here. Initial pitch, no break, pull a few G's, this slows them down, the engine is taking off. Both groups are going to come in and land.
Engine gets it off the ground pretty quickly, especially in the configuration Paul's flying it at the moment, which is reasonably light. Now, as the Wirraway and the Harvard lead each other through the run, have a listen to the different sounds those engines make. Very similar aircraft, very similar pedigree, quite different.
The Avenger. I say that's the Avenger. George Herbert W. Bush type splat machine. Oh mate, they've all had a gutful of the weather. Can't believe how quiet that Avenger is.
Sunshine and heat, we've had wind, we've had rain, and we're likely on the horizon at the moment. But thank you very much for coming to the show. And on behalf of the major sponsor, Qantas Link, we've been flying to Armidale for 20 years. And the Armidale Council. Thank you.
slope down around, so we're just at the last loop of lead. Ooh, fire coming out of his exhaust.
Once again, folks, the bad weather's honestly, we've managed to get down that cruising because the bad weather's really hit. So can you please all pack everything up and evacuate the buses so we can get you out before the really nasty rain hits. Thank you to all the pilots, the ground crew and everyone who helped to make this happen. And a very big special thank you.
Warbles on a lot to YouTube.
Honestly.
It has been a marvellous air show. We've had a great time, and we are the last to leave. Ciao.
Edwards Aviation.